So the first one, the pronunciation is je suis, tu es, il/elle, et, nous sommes, vous êtes, il/elle sont, il/elle sont. Je suis means I am. Tu es means you are. Il est, elle est. Il est means he is. Elle est means she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes means you all are. Ils sont, elles sont. They are, they are. Clear? So in the last class, I said, je suis acteur.
Vous êtes qui?
Vous êtes. Because S is placed between two vowels. So vous êtes.
That English outer meaning, sir?
You are. Vous êtes. You are. এখানে ভু মানে আপনি, আপনারা, তোমরা. There are three possibilities. आप लोग, तुम लोग. And tu means only तुम. तुम्ही.
Sir, how do you pronounce that EST? Il?
EST is A. Simple English alphabet A. Il, A, L, A. So in the last class I have done je suis acteur. I am actor. Vous êtes acteur in the last class. You are actor. Yes. This is third. This belongs to third group. This être verb, because there is no specific rule for conjugation. You have to memorize the conjugation. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont.
Sir, nous sommes means?
We are. Nous sommes means we are. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Clear? Example. Vous êtes, informaticien. Vous êtes informaticien. You are software engineer. Oui. Je suis informaticien. Yes, I am software engineer. No. Je ne suis pas informaticien. No, I am not software engineer. Clear? Vous êtes informaticien? Informaticien. Informaticien. Clear? Next, in the last class, I have given you the verb konetra. So I'm going to write the conjugation. That is also a third group verb. To know. Last class I said no. Vous connaissez Shahrukh Khan. Vous connaissez une bonne secrétaire. So this conjugation I'm giving you today. Okay. Oh, how to put this here? No, it's not coming here. 1 second. Oh. So this part, nous connaissons, this should be here. I don't know how to put it here. Vous same problem. Vous connaissez Can you see the screen? Yes. Je connais. Write down first. Je connais. Tu connais. Il connaît. Then it should be elle connaît. Nous connaissons. Vous connaissez. Ils connaissent. Elles connaissent.
Sir, can you repeat the pronunciations?
Je connais, tu connais, il connaît, elle connaît, nous connaissons, vous connaissez, ils connaissent, elles connaissent. Je connais means in the last class I have told you, je connais is I know. Tu connais. This is also a third.
You know.
Yes, very good. Il connaît, he knows. Elle connaît,
She knows.
she knows. Nous connaissons, we all know. Vous connaissez, you all know.
You
Ils connaissent, they know. Elles connaissent, they know. If I say, vous connaissez Sophie, vous connaissez Sophie?
you know
Oui.
Sophie.
Oui, je connais Sophie. Non, je ne connais pas. Je ne connais pas Sophie. No, je ne connais pas Sophie. Do you know Sophie? Oui, je connais Sophie. Yes, I know Sophie. No, je ne connais pas Sophie. No, I do not know Sophie.
सर 1 मिनट रुकिए ना, थोड़ा नोट कर ले.
Sorry, what? I have to.
I want to note this these 3 lines,
Okay.
last 3 lines.
Okay. No problem.
So how do you pronounce it? Vous connaissez Sophie? Vous
Vous
connaissez
connaissez,
Sophie?
vous connaissez Sophie.
Connaissez Sophie.
Vous connaissez Sophie. Oui, je connais Sophie. Non, je ne connais pas Sophie.
What will be the line by line, I mean word by word translation of that
Who
sentence?
Sir.
Who means you. Connaissez means know. Sophie is Sophie, the name of a girl.
The negative sentence.
Oui, yes. Je connais, I know. Sophie.
Yes, the
I
next one.
know. No, je ne connais pas. No and pas, N-E, no and pas together means not. No, I not know, that means I do not know Sophie. I not, no pa means not. Connais means no. I know not Sophie, that means I do not know Sophie.
Okay, thank you.
How do you pronounce that no, sir? N-O-N?
Same English no.
Okay. Normally, like when it is time to we, it's yes, right? We, je connais Sophie, or no, je ne connais pas Sophie.
Je ne connais pas.
Okay, je ne connais pas. Okay.
Okay, last class we have done les alphabet also. Any confusion? A, B, C, D, anything? Should I tell you once more? Je, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that was done in the last class. I just thought of telling you the pronunciation once again. Okay, in the last class also we
Sir,
have done
again E
Sir, all
pronunciation.
7 days.
one at a
Better.
time. X, okay, X is X, I-K-S, X. Then
Sir, it's E. I'm asking about E pronunciation.
E, okay, E is like half O, not round O, it's it's not O, it's
Sir, you mean UH? UH.
kind of
Answer W.
Understood,
W,
sir.
W. Okay, so in the last class we have done the days of the week and the months of the year. Now today I am going to frame few sentences with the days of the week. You try to understand, okay? If you don't understand, then I'll tell you the English meaning. Lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. So in the last class, I told you what is lundi. What is lundi?
Monday.
Yes.
Monday.
What is a? What is a? Just now I have given you the conjugation of être verb. Go through the conjugation. What is a? What is?
For
Yes,
third
is.
person singular, it's être
Is.
for third person singular.
Être verb third person singular, and the meaning is. Lundi est le premier jour. What is jour? Last class I have done it. What is jour? I said no, the topic was les jours de la semaine. What was?
Day.
What did I? So you have to revise, huh? Lundi est le premier jour. Now tell me. Up to this, tell me.
Monday is the
anyone?
first week.
Is the
Monday is the first day of the week.
Of a day.
First.
Lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. Lundi est le premier jour. Premier means first. Jour you already know. Jour means day. Lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. Next.
Monday is the first day of the week.
Monday, lundi means Monday. A means is, as I told you earlier. Le is definite article. Le is definite article, which means the. Premier jour, first day. De la semaine. Of. De means of. La is again definite article. The. Now you might ask me, so L is also the, LA is also the. In English, there is only one the, THE, but in French we have three definite articles. One is LE, second one is LA, and the last one is, write down, LES. I repeat, LE, that is used for masculine singular. I'm writing it down. Write down. Article défini. Article défini. That means definite article. So le is used for masculine singulier. If the noun is in masculine singular form, if the noun, what is the function of adjective? Adjective qualifies noun. So here, as I told you, each and every word is classified according to gender. So here, if the word or the noun, if the noun is in masculine singular form, then the adjective will be used, then lo will be used. Le, lo. Lo is used for qualifying noun which is in masculine singular form. La will be used for femina singulier. That is feminine singular. Femina singulier. And le will be used for both masculine as well as femina plurial. So here you see lundi et le premier. Premier is here the masculine singular. Premier is masculine singular. Why? There is no argument. It's masculine singular, premier. So that's why jour is also masculine singular. So jour is actually masculine singular. So lundi est le premier jour de la semaine, and semaine is week. Semaine is feminine singular. Jour is masculine singular and semaine is feminine singular. So lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. So lo will be used for example, if I say lo stilo. Stilo means pen. Pen is masculine. Why pen is masculine? There is no, you cannot argue. There is no reason. So lo stilo. If I say la chaise. Chaise means chair. Chair itself is considered as feminine object. Chair is considered as a feminine object. So we are using it as la chaise. Now if I say the pens, les stylo. The pens with an S, then les. For objects in plural form, for nouns which is in plural form, in that case we will use, whether it is masculine or feminine, in both the cases, if it is in plural form, then we would use les, les chaises, the chairs. Clear? So lundi est le premier jour de la semaine. Monday is the first day of the week. Now if I say le mardi est le deuxième jour de la semaine. Anyone? Le mardi est le deuxième jour de la semaine.
So Tuesday is the second day
Sir,
of
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Sir, Tuesday is the second day of the week.
Second day of the week.
Very good, Shayon. Very good, beauty. Le mardi est le deuxième jour de la semaine. So in this way, I can write down le mercredi. Le mercredi est le mercredi est le troisième jour de la semaine. Now I'm writing another sentence. Try to guess. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Beauty will not tell. Shayan will not tell. Anyone else? Anyone else? Il y a means what? Il y a 7 jours. What is 7? Okay, I tell you what is 7. This much of hint I'll give you. Within bracket, since I have not done the numbers.
There are 7 days in the week.
Very good.
Is there 7 days in a week? No, is there 7 days in a week?
There are
7 days in a week.
Clear? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. There are 7 days. Il y a means there are, there is or there are. Il y a means what? There is or there are. 7 jours dans une semaine. Il y a 12 il y a 12 mois dans une.
There are 12 months in a year.
Exactly.
কে বললো ফার্স্ট এরটা? কে বললো প্রথমে? কে বলেছে? Who said?
Shreya.
Ah, Shreya, very good. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Il y a 12 mois. Il y a 12 mois dans une année. Next. Il y a. Now try to understand. Il y a combien de mois dans une année? Il y a combien de mois dans une année? Who is Narendra Modi here? Huh? Prime Minister has joined.
How many in a year?
Il y a combien de mois dans une année?
How many days are in a year?
How many days?
How many months are there in a year?
How many months? How many
Ah.
months will there?
There are how many months in a year? So what is combien de? Combien de means how much?
How many? How many?
It depends on the context. So in your batch there is one whose name is Narendra Modi. I can see from here. Is it true? No? Ilya, no one is replying. Okay, now Ilya, Troa, Troa tomate sur la table. Anyone? Who will tell me?
There are 3
Troa-
tomatoes on the table.
Here, il y a 3 tomates sur la table.
अपनी बात की शुरुआत एक
Sorry, what?
वृद्ध वाक्य के साथ करना चाहिए.
Who is that?
Someone is
Ilya,
playing the video, I
Somebody's
think.
pranking or something.
Sorry,
Somebody's
what?
pranking or something.
Somebody is
Pranking probably. It
okay.
seems like
So
that.
there is
Can
no
you repeat
student.
the pronunciation
Il y a
of the whole sentence?
Il y a 3 tomates sur la table. Il y a 3 tomates. Il y a 3 tomates sur la table. Il y a 3 tomates sur la table. There are 3 tomatoes on the table. Okay, next, a small passage, very small. I'm writing it down. Please note it down. Done?
No, sir, just a minute.
It's done now.
Okay. Paul Gomez a Froste. Clear the first sentence? Paul Gomez a Froste. What is the
So
meaning?
does it mean Paul Gomez is a Francis?
Paul
Paul
is
Gomez is
French.
French. Paul is
Hmm.
French.
Paul
Okay, okay.
Gomez is French.
Is French.
Is French.
Il habite à Paris.
He lives in Paris.
He lives in Paris.
Neuf means 9. I'll do the numbers. Neuf, Boulevard des Italiens. Boulevard. In English we say boulevard. Boulevard is like the main road is called boulevard. Like we call avenue. Road, the main road, boulevard. So boulevard. Des Italiens, Italian road. A means and, et is conjunction, and il est professeur. Il est professeur. What is il est professeur?
He's a professor.
He is a professor.
Il est, very good. Il est professeur d'espagnol.
Of Spanish.
Spanish.
Of Spanish. I told you earlier that DE means of or from. Depends on the context. But here E is, one second. What happened? One second. Il est professeur d'espagnol. DE is of or from, depending on the context. He is professor of Spanish. Il connaît l'Espagne.
He knows Spanish.
No, Espanol is Spanish. Spanish here, Spanish means language as well as the nationality. But here, Espagne means the country. He knows Spain.
Spain.
Il connaît l'Espagne.
Hey, who is
He
wrong
knows,
with this?
he knows.
But sir, how can somebody know a country?
মানে ও দেশটাকে চেনে। Connaître means to know.
Sir, there is disturbing by Narendra Modi.
I don't know who is doing that, so I can't stop him. You have to report it to your authority, school, college authority. Il connaît l'Espagne. He knows Spain. That means the country. He knows the country. He has been to Spain many times and he knows the country. Madame Gomez is secrétaire. Madame Gomez
is a secretary.
Madam Gomez is a secretary.
He is a secretary.
Elle connaît Valérie Florentini. She knows Valérie Florentini. She knows personally Valérie Florentini. Clear? Next.
So what does it mean, the last one? Valerie?
Valérie Florentini. Florentini is the surname. Valérie is the first name.
Okay. So how can I make a habit of pronouncing rightly, like the pronouncing properly? Sorry. How can
phonetic rules and regulations, and over a period of time we will understand that which word to pronounce. Like in English also, we also often come across new words, but we know how to pronounce it, even though we do not know the meaning of those words. So we consult dictionary for that, but the pronunciation, it comes automatically. So same thing will happen. It will not happen overnight, but over a period of time. If you go through the phonetic rules over and over again, at one point of time you will understand, okay, this word will be pronounced, because you will get an idea of phonetic. So
like,
it will be.
is there any kind of magazines or these all things like that in case of English we have newspapers and these all things, and how and for
French language also you can access online French news and other things. Offline also you can you can access. There is a small library here in Kolkata, and you can definitely go to that library, and you can access French books and magazines.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Actually, up to this is qu'est. Okay? Then this CE part is not pronounced. CE part is not pronounced. So qu'est-ce que, this part is que, and this part is say, S-A-Y, say. Qu'est-ce que c'est? The meaning of the entire thing, if you ask me up to this, qu'est-ce que, up to this, the meaning is what? The entire, I cannot break it up. This part, the meaning is what? And say, EST means, you know, E, EST means is, and here there was an extra E, but as I told you, the two vowels cannot sit side by side, so we have to cancel this one. So what is, EST is, and CE is this. What this is means what is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? I repeat, up to this is qu'est-ce que. Qu'est-ce que means what. EST means is, and this CE means this. That means what this is, but what is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est une bicyclette. This is a bicycle. This is the bicycle. C'est une bicyclette. This is a bicycle. Clear?
Sir, what is the pronunciation of the first sentence?
First sentence, qu'est-ce que c'est?
So after that, the answer.
C'est une bicyclette.
Sorry.
C'est une bicyclette.
Okay.
C'est une bicyclette. This is a bicycle. Next. The next one is qui-est. Qui-est. S. মানে CE টা pronounce হচ্ছে না. There is no pronunciation for CE. We are not pronouncing this part. CE. Qui-est. The whole part, the entire this thing, T is silent and CE is silent. মানে the entire part, this part is pronounced as S, English S. Qui-est. If you ask me the meaning, qui means who, EST means is, and CE means this. Who is this? Who is this? The answer is
how do you pronounce
Sir,
it?
case কোসেটা মিনিংটা একটু বলবেন।
কেস কাছে মানে what is this? What is this? Then this part up to this part is what? You can see it's highlighted. Up to this part is what? EST is and CE is this. Here there is an extra E, but we have decided to remove that first E because there are two E's actually. So KESCO means what, EST is and CE is this. What is this? KESCO say.
आंसर তার নিচের লাইনটাও একবার বাইসাইকেলেটেড।
Setune. Why tune? Because T and U, T is a vowel, T is a consonant, marked in red. T is a consonant and U is also a vowel. So you see vowel U and T sitting side by side. I told you that if you see a vowel and a consonant sitting next to each other, I mean placed next to each other, then in that case the consonant would be pronounced. So actually if you ask me individual pronunciation of this particular word, C apostrophe EST, it is say. T is silent, but here T would be pronounced because T and U placed next to each other. So setune bicyclet. This is a bicycle. So for objects you will say qu'est-ce que c'est, and for human beings you will say qui est, who is this. You will say qui est, who is this. Say Sophie. This is Sophie. Say Sophie. Clear? Next. Le weekend, je regarde la télévision. Le weekend, je regarde la télévision.
On weekends I watch the television.
Le weekend, je regarde la télévision. Le soir, no, le matin. One second. Le dimanche matin, j'écoute la radio. Try to guess. What is dimanche?
Sunday.
And matin? What is matin? What is matin?
The morning.
Week.
Morning.
Very good.
Good morning.
On Sunday morning I listen to the radio.
Sunday morning I live.
The Sunday morning I listen to the radio. The Sunday morning I listen to the radio. J'écoute la radio. Now you see, can I ask you what radio is masculine or feminine?
Sir, radio. Sir,
Sir, feminine. Feminine.
Radio is feminine
Eminent.
because
we have used
Because-
your. It's la.
Then-
La.
Ah, very good. So we are using here radio is feminine because it's la, la, la. Television is also feminine because it's la. Clear? So on weekends I watch TV. Je regarde la télévision. Le week-end, je regarde la télévision. Le dimanche matin. But if you translate word to word, it comes like that. The Sunday morning, that means every Sunday morning, j'écoute la radio. Next.
Sir, regard
Le
mean?
dimanche. Which one?
Regard mean?
Regard, look or watch.
ठीक है sir.
देखा. Le dimanche soir, j'écoute la musique classique. Le dimanche soir, j'écoute la musique classique.
On Sunday evening, I listen to the classical music.
Very good. Le dimanche soir, je prends le dîner. One second. Je prends le dîner avec ma famille. Tough one. Le
In
dimanche,
Sunday, I take dinner with my
In
family.
Sunday, we take dinner with my.
Sir,
excellent.
I take or we take.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Le dimanche, je prends le dîner avec ma famille. Le dimanche, je prends le dîner avec ma famille. Clear? I take. Now I am going to conjugate the verb pronto. Je prends, tu prends, il, elle prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, ils, elles prennent. I repeat, je prends, D silent, S silent, D and S not pronounced, only EN is pronounced as on, okay? Je prends, tu prends, il prend, elle prend, same pronunciation, no change. Nous prenons, because on is on, and after on, if there is a single alphabet, what did I say in the first class? That single alphabet will not be pronounced. So nous prenons, Vous prenez, elles prennent. Now, I'm giving you a sentence. Try to understand. Vous prenez le dîner à quelle heure du soir? Vous prenez le dîner, word by word. Vous prenez le dîner à quelle heure? À quelle heure du soir? What is the meaning? কে বলতে পারে?
Sir, you take the dinner after that.
You take the dinner. Up to this clear. Vous prenez le dîner. À quelle heure? What is heure? What is? Try to understand. What is heure? If I say, one second, I'm giving the answer. Okay, then you will. It will be easier for you.
I'd like to take you to dinner this
At
evening.
what time?
One second. Who said that?
At what time do you take dinner in the evening?
Excellent, Tanisha. Very good. Je prends le dîner à 9h du soir. Now, is it clear? Je prends le dîner à 9h du soir. I take the dinner at 9 hours, that is 9 o'clock. Due means of the or from the. At 9 o'clock of the evening means 9 o'clock in the evening. Here it is in the. Je prends le dîner à 9h du soir. Clear?
Sir, do meaning?
Due means
Due.
of the.
Yes, sir, due.
You actually means of the or from the, but here it is in the. But you can't say in the English that I take the dinner at 9 o'clock of the morning, of the evening, in the evening, at 9 o'clock in the evening. So, but
So
actually, if you
of the
ask me-
evening.
soir, yes, soir means evening. S-O-I-R, soir. Each and every alphabet is pronounced here. S-O-I-R. Je prends le dîner à 9h du soir. Je prends le train à 7h du matin.
I take the train at 7 in the morning.
I check the track. Okay.
Very good, Tanisha and Beauty. Others must also participate. Only this Tanisha, Beauty, and who else? Few students, you know, they are giving me the answers. Je prends le train à 7h du matin. Je
Sir,
prends
due, how we use due in matlab sentences,
Okay.
because you were telling us of the, from the, or in the also, so little bit confusion there.
Okay, I am telling you. C'est le stylo du professeur. Say, as I told you, qu'est-ce que c'est here. Where is that? This one. Qu'est-ce que c'est? I told you say means what? This is, right?
This.
I said no, this is. No, up to this is Kesko means what? I said up to this is Kesko means what? But thereafter this means this is. Only this part, C apostrophe EST. Only this C apostrophe. I have marked it in yellow. Can you see that? Yes or no? This part is marked in yellow. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So C apostrophe EST is this is. And this part is what? Kesko. So say is this is. So here I'm writing down se lo stilo du professor. This is the pen of the professor. As I told you, du means of the or from.
Sir, so how do we pronounce A and 7 in the secular sentence?
Je prends le train. Je prends le train à 7 heures du matin.
স্যার
I take, yes.
বলছি যখন আমরা ট্রেন লিখছি তখন আইটা আয়ের উপরে ফুল স্টপ ট্রেন, কিন্তু যখন ডিনার লিখছি তখন ডিনারের উপরে ক্যাপ কেন আয়ের উপরে?
ওটা স্পেসিফিক্যালি there is a sign called accent circumflex, ওটা আমি এখন বলতে চাই না। ওইটা যখন ওই চিহ্নটা দেওয়া হয় then the pronunciation becomes very short. দিনে, দিনে বলি না আমরা, দিনে। প্রণালী দিনে খুব তাড়াতাড়ি বলতে হয় দিনে। there is a subtle difference, মানে খুব বোঝা খুব মানে কষ্টকর, খুব minute pronunciation এর difference হয়, but you can ignore that. There are very few words in French language where that particular sign is used. Very, very few.
Sir, mata means? Mata means?
Mata is morning. Ma-ta. I-N is a mata. Je prends le train à 7 heures du matin. Je prends le train à 7 heures du matin. Clear? What is the meaning of that sentence? I take the train à 7 heures du matin means at 7 o'clock in the morning. C'est le stylo du professeur. This is the pen of the professor. As somebody was asking that where is it used, of the, from the, and where is it used, in the. So here is the difference. Mainly du is of the. In the is used like when it comes to timing actually. Okay, next. Le nombro. Zero, deux, write down first. Trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept.
How do you pronounce two?
Oh, let me finish this, then I'll tell you. Wait. No. This. Okay. Once you are done, you let me know. I'll scroll down. Write first up to 8, then I'll scroll down.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Completed.
Okay.
Just a second.
Okay, zero is zero. UN is mind. Be careful about one thing. IN is like important. Important is important. But here the intensity of nasal sound, it is a bit abruptive in this particular case. I'm not saying I'm saying UN is but for important, I'm saying important. I'm not saying important. So here it is there it was IN. AIM is here it is clear. So zero the, no, it's not like do, it's not do, it's the, like half o, the trois, s is silent, trois, quatre, cinq, six, not six, 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 set, p is silent, set, with is like WITH, with, neuf, this, like THIS, this. Clear?
Sir, 8 আরেকবার বলবেন।
Sir, again repeat.
Zero, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Any confusion?
Sir, fifth one. Sir, fifth and sixth one.
Okay, once again. Zero, un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, dix. Clear? Any confusion? I'm writing
Sir,
from 11
again
onwards.
fifth. Sir, fifth one.
Sang. SANK, sang. SANK, sang. Okay? You have to revise. Write down first.
Complete, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
11, 12, 13, 14, 16. I repeat, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 11 is 11. You know, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Sir, 15.
15. IN is a, so that's why I'm saying 15. E is silent. 15. Next. Now up to 16 you have to memorize. Thereafter it is very easy. It is simple addition. Sorry. Here you see I'm just adding. DIX means 10 and SCPT means 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Similarly 18, 10 plus 8. DIX is 10, HUIT is 8. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 19 is DIX, that is which is 10, and NEUF is 9. 10 plus 9, 19. I repeat, D set, P is silent, D set, this with, here X is placed, I told you, if S is placed between two vowels, S is pronounced as Z. Same for X. Same rule for X. Here X is placed between I and H. H is considered as a semi-vowel in French. So X will be pronounced as Z. So these with. Enough.
Sir, 20 Ds.
These with. These then with. WITH. These with. This enough, but we say this enough. It's an exception. This enough. This enough. Though here X is not placed in 19 between two vowels, it's an exception. This,
it's enough.
Enough. For. Enough. The last one is van. T is silent. Van. Van is 20. Van is 20. So I repeat from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 20 Clear? So today what we have learned? We have learned
Is it where? Is it where?
Van. Shayon. Van. Yeah. It's van. Vo Chandrovindu Jofola A. Van. So we have learned today definite article. There are 3 types of definite articles: lo, la, le. Clear? There is another type of article which is called article indéfini. Article indéfini, which is called indefinite article, which is it's used for masculine, singulier, which is used for femina singulier, and they, which is used for masculine, femina, plural. Masculine singulier, femina singulier, masculine femina, plural. If I say a boy, which boy I am not specifying. A boy in this classroom is very good. There's a boy who is very good in maths. There's a boy from your batch who is exceptionally good in maths, but I'm not pinpointing anyone. Who is that boy? Then I would say UN. There is a girl from your batch who is exceptionally good in computer science. I don't know, I'm not telling her name. There's a girl who is exceptionally good in computer science. So UNE, because feminine singular. There are few boys and girls from your batch who are very sincere and hardworking. There are few boys and girls from your batch who are very sincere and hardworking. DES. So indefinite article is when you are not pinpointing anyone. You are not specifying the name. We are not able to find out who is that person. A boy, a girl, few boys, many girls. So un they. And when I'm going to specifically mention the name or I'm going to give a specific description, then it becomes definite article, which is lo, la, and le. Clear? Now. One minute. Now, if I say for example, choisissez un, une ou des. Choose dash joli stylo dash joli rue. See, the common sense is that there is no S. In stylo there is no S. That means stylo is in singular. So I have to choose either UN or UNE. DES is only used for plural objects, right? Here there is no S. Stilo is, there is no S in stilo. So which one will I use, UN or UNE? Tell me. I will use UN. Why do you know that? Because you see, Joli is Joli, but in the second one, if you see, I have put an extra E in Joli. Have you noticed that? The same Joli with an extra E. Why? That means Ryu is feminine. Normally in French, what happens if the object, if the noun is in feminine form, write down a note. In French, the adjective changes according to the gender of the noun. In French, the adjective changes according to the gender of the noun. So here joli means pretty. A pretty pen. A beautiful pen basically. A pretty street. A pretty street. Now joli means pretty, which is an adjective. Now the same joli in sentence number 1 and sentence number 2, you see the difference. There's an extra E in sentence number 2. Why? Because Ryu is feminine. That's why we have put an extra E. So if that be the case, then here also it would be UNE. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
বোঝা গেছে? জলিটা হচ্ছে adjective. Adjective changes according to the gender of the noun. Noun যদি masculine হয়, adjective ও masculine হবে. Noun, if noun is in feminine, adjective will also be in feminine. If the noun is in masculine, the adjective will also be in masculine. That's why stilo is masculine. Say for example, you don't know actually whether stilo is masculine or feminine. I told you, you have to memorize each and every word as per the gender. It will come automatically. It's not that difficult. It's like Hindi. But from my common sense, I can make out that joli without having an extra E, that means stilo is masculine. So UN. And since joli is having an extra E here, that means Ryu is feminine. That's why UNE.